Hi, this is Dr. Sage Breslin, and this is Wisdom Wednesdays. We're here today to talk about the voices in your head. No, not the crazy ones. The voices that we all have. The voices that sometimes are very positive and sometimes negative. And when the voices are positive, we consider it, maybe encouragement from God or the universe to move in a certain way, act in a certain way, or even think in a certain way. But when the voices are more negative, more self-critical, and we follow them, sometimes those actions don't work out so well for us. So let's talk about what the difference is. So consider this. When you were born, you weren't born with any of these voices in your head. You came in as a pure being, a pure spirit. And, spirit is positive. It's healthy. It's there in your best interest. It's fighting for you. So when you hear negative voices in your head, negative self-talk, stuff that is self-critical, it's really important to ask yourself, where'd that voice come from? And a lot of the time, it's from unhealthy family members, coaches, bosses, what we considered as partners. And when that's the case, we just need to eject the tape, right? We need to be able to send that voice back to its owner. And we need not consider it as a guiding force. Now, that doesn't mean that every decision we make is going to be the right one or, lead us to happy feelings. But if we can do that, if we can make decisions based on healthy voices, whether or not positive, but healthy voices that we have come to on our own, we're much more likely to be successful with the actions that we take. So if you are in a toxic relationship, consider all the things you've heard from that person. And if you notice that those voices are in your head and trying to guide and inform your actions, just hit eject, because those aren't yours. You can send them back to their owner. And now it's important that you take that breath and listen into the voice that was yours when you came into the world. Okay? That's quiet or loud, but pure and peaceful. Ask yourself, what does that version of me encourage me to do? This is Wisdom Wednesdays, and I'm Dr. Sage Breslin.